Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Happy Mother's Day to you mothers here in the US. I hope you have a lovely day. On the 12th, I bring you a challenge that I called Clear It Out, and our friend Stampin' Cat on Instagram joined me, so I'll link to her down below. Clear It Out, I identified 18 paper collections and a couple themes, including pets, that I just needed to move along this year. Too much good stuff just sitting, and it needed to go. So what I've been doing is pulling things out, starting them. This month I showed in Smash Our Stash 2 journals that I finished. So if you were wondering about those bee journals, you should have seen those in there. They started here, but I used it for free choice because I had too much going on. So today I'm going to show you these 2. This is actually a Graphic 45 pet themed paper, but I liked this blue floral a lot. And then on this one, I used Love is Wet Noses and Wagging Tails. If you know me, you know that I would send that card to anyone. And then I have some mirror paper and a layer of black. So very simple card, and it will mail nicely. This one was, I pulled out all the bee stuff, and there was blue bee stuff, but I decided to make this card with it. And so I took this and I chopped it up and moved it around. And then I have the bee, and then just because my friend Noni was playing with her foiling machine, and she had made these for me a while ago. So they were in my bee box when I pulled it out. So those 2 cards. Then let's take a look at this journal. And this one was, I'm not keeping track of the numbers very well. I'll fill you in sometime in an updates video or something and let you know how far along we are. I love the star paper. Now this star paper was from a Graphic 45 collection, the one that was like vintage movies or something, or movie starish. And I didn't have a good cover to go with this paper, so I wanted something a little vintagey fun. And then I have a pocket on the inside. And this was, I don't recall what brand this was. It might have been a Bow Bunny collection. So it was one of those bags that I was going to use up for Clear It Out. And then this paper has stars, so I brought it in from a different collection. Many times my journals aren't too matchy-matchy, but if I'm trying to use a collection, then that brings it in a little more. Be happy, be bright, be you. And then I have a paper tucked in there. And some vintage looking ephemera that I made in a small pad stash. And you can tip this up and staple, glue, put a cute photo, put a journaling card here, whatever. A fun bag that I thought went with this and all the paper. And then the pockets, like this could be decorated more. I have a tendency to decorate my journals enough so they're not boring, but not so much you can't add more. And I love this. It's like a mixed media type thing down the side with staples and stitching and all kinds of things. And I didn't have to do it, and it's really smooth. Life is a journey, and only you hold the key. And then it's a pocket on this side and a little tag right here. And then another one here and some paper here to write on. So just really playing up those pockets. This, even though it's dark, it would be fine to write on. So with that one. And look at this. Dance like no one is watching. Joy to the world. I think if I was going to keep this journal, I might put stickers or some kind of decoration right there. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. That was Eleanor Roosevelt. And this comes out and has a candle on the back. You can write on it. Stickers, stamps, whatever. Believe. There's a lot of places to write in this one. Joy, and then I was just collaging along. I think I would write in each of these or put little stickers or circles. I just think this is a fun page. Sometimes the images on the page or the shape of the page give me my inspiration for how I'm going to journal on it or write on it or use it. This page, you could write in these little sections, maybe some favorite quotes, or you could cover it with other things. Here I have a pocket down here. And again, this was from a Smash Our Stash video, not a Smash Our Stash, a small pad. And I've got little ephemera bits in the pocket that could be moved all around. And a fun envelope here that I just thought the color scheme went with it. And some brown lace down the side of the page. If you don't like such a junky look, you could trim those right off at the edge of the page. Again, this fun paper. Today, and it's in cork. This is a little loose, and I think that's okay. This is a great big rub-on, and you really can't tell it's a rub-on. It's amazing. Hero Arts, and a tag, and a little vellum bag. Trust Your Heart was from an old ephemera thing, and then this I got in Happy Mail, and I just thought it was fun in this journal, and some tea-dyed paper. Nice page to write on. This is a little pocket here, and then you have your butterfly. Fun things to write on and or move around, make pockets out of. Again, another one of those Hero Arts rub-ons. I mean, look, I just love them. You can't tell. A fun little paper clip. You could clip stuff onto any one of the pages. Like these that, maybe aren't as great to write on. You could take a journaling card and go like this. Oh, that's from our friend Mary. And, I made these a long time ago. I haven't made these in quite a while. So little pocket up here. And then this one has a flower and a little thing sticking out. So there's your tag, and you've got a little charm and a bit of lace and ribbon. And that flips up. Nice to write on. We're going down the other side, so you've seen these papers pretty much. Bit of ribbon. Oh, fun side pocket right here. And then this is also a tuck spot here. The years tell us much that the days never knew. That one's Emerson. Pocket here with a nice little tab to pull it out. Not knowing where we are going lets us unfold our wings and fly. And this is a tuck. So any of those other ones, if you wanted to glue the sides and make them just a tuck spot, you could do it this way instead of having them flip up. And this is a little journaling card. You have the most amazing ability to take an ordinary moment and make it shine. And I just kind of collaged some stuff up there, and then we have a card in the pocket here. Each day brings a new reason to be grateful. This one is just gooey goodness, isn't it? And then this is a pocket here and a pocket here. Oops, now we've lost a treasure. There we go. And of course here. And then that one, beauty, and you could decorate this if you wanted or write all over it. This one is an envelope. It goes like this. You can put stuff in it. Decorate it on the front with some ephemera. Be happy, and there's another little envelope here. And again, this one tips, but you could glue it, and then it would be a tuck spot if you wanted. And then in the back, let hope be your lighthouse beckoning you through stormy seas. And we have an old punch card to write on and some ephemera. I am going to call this one the star cover. If you want this journal, you can leave me a comment down below. It would be $26, all in, shipped in the US. And at some point, I may get around to listing it on Etsy. But if not, just leave me a comment down below, because Etsy's not my strength. And we can work it out through my Etsy site. Oh, let me show you one thing. I showed this journal in Smash Our Stash, and I was talking, we were doing a member event, and I laid it on an ink pad. And so my member said, oh, take a stencil and stencil on it. So I just inked over the corner. I haven't decided if I'm going to do more. And if you wanted this journal, I just wanted you to know that that's on there. If you want me to do the other corner or something, I could. But I kind of just thought it was fun the way it was. I'm not brokenhearted. I don't think it's trash or ruined. I just think, oh, well, more character. Be sure you're clearing out your stash and using things up if that's what brings you joy. If it just makes you happy to keep beautiful paper on a shelf, then do that. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out what Stampin' Cat did on Instagram. The link's down below. Bye-bye.